Good morning, boys and girls. Today we'll be learning about more parts of a book. In the story Home, Then and Now, there are words that look bigger than others. This is called bold print. Authors use bold print to show when a word is new or important. Los autores usan letras oscuras para mostrar cuando una palabra es nueva o importante. In the back of this book, you can find the glossary. The glossary tells you what those new or important words mean. It also has pictures of the new important words. En las páginas atrás del libro puedes encontrar el glosario. El glosario es donde puedes encontrar la definición de una palabra y sus fotos. This is the worksheet we will be working on today. First, you will trace the word, then you will draw it. You can use the last glossary slide to help you draw your picture. Aquí vas a trazar esta palabra y aquí vas a dibujar. Now I'm going to read the word and the definition. Our first word is electricity. A kind of energy makes lamps and computers work. Electricidad. Una forma de energía nos da luz para nuestras lámparas y computadoras. Our next word is shelter, something that protects or covers. Abrigo, algo que nos protege del clima. Our last word is washboard, boards used for scrubbing clothes. Tabla de lavar, una tabla que se utilizó para lavar la ropa. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I know you're going to make me proud with all your beautiful work. I'll see you all tomorrow.